How are you?
I'm very fine. You're welcome. My prince.
How are you?
I'm very fine. I'm fine.
Good.
You have been frequenting our house these days. I hope we're safe.
Don't you like it?
My prince, I like it. In fact, I love it. I didn't mean it that way.
It's okay.
It's just that I'm surprised that you come visiting a local girl who has put to bed already, out of wedlock.
It's okay.
I'm just surprised.
Okay. How is the boy?
Oh, he's fine. He's sleeping inside with Mama.
Okay. Take it. Go and change into it. I'm taking you out.
My prince, sorry, it's not like I'm commanding you, I'm telling you what to do. But say it again, what did you say?
I said go and change into that cloth. I bought it for you. I'm taking you out.
Me?
Yes, go and change into it. I'm taking you out.
Thank you very much, my prince.
Okay.
Thank you.
Just go and change, yeah? Don't keep the prince waiting.
Okay.
Where are you going to?
Oh, sorry. I was confused.
I can imagine.
Thank you, my prince.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.